A 100% equity strategy means your entire investment portfolio is invested in stocks rather than bonds or cash. In finance terms, equities simply means ownership shares in companies, commonly known as stocks. By holding only stocks, you are choosing to lean entirely into the growth potential of the market. This approach is generally favored by younger investors who have decades to ride out market turbulence. While 100% stocks might offer higher returns over decades, a balanced portfolio often provides a smoother ride during downturns. The trade-off for higher potential returns is that your portfolio value can drop significantly more during bear markets. Investors who choose this path must be comfortable with the reality that their account balance will fluctuate wildly day to day. Your asset allocation should match your goals and risk tolerance. Consult a professional before making changes. Thanks for watching.